Here's a quick tutorial on how you can delete your Facebook page. First, you'll want to open your Facebook app. Once on Facebook, tap the profile icon on the upper right part of your screen. Tap this icon so you can switch to your Facebook page. Once you switch to your page, tap the profile icon on the top right part of your screen. Once done, tap the settings icon. Tap the page settings. On the page settings, scroll down and you'll find access and control. Once you tapped it, the page deactivation and deletion will show. Tap it and you'll be directed to the deactivation and deletion page. Proceed on the deletion by selecting Delete Page and tapping Continue. Proceed with the steps by tapping Continue. In this page, you'll be prompted to type your Facebook password. Tap Continue once you've inputted your Facebook password. Tap Continue to confirm your action. Your Facebook page will be permanently deleted after 30 days once you tap the Delete Page button. Your Facebook page is now deleted. Like and subscribe if it helped.